Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Taylor Swift here with new songs. This one is with Post Malone. It's called Fortnight, alright? So we're just gonna work with the downs here. No different in capo, we have 5 different chords, and many of them are bar chords. So we're gonna look at the chords right now. First, we have the E, and I can just mention, when you play this, I suggest you play more on the bass strings there. So make sure you get your bass strings right there. So E is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Like I said, the strings down here you can avoid, so get the bass strings right and focus on that. That is the E. Over to the F sharp chord. It's a bar chord. We place the bar on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. We have the D sharp sus chord here. I go with the sus because you don't have to go down here and to the lower strings or the higher notes, so to speak. So anyway, this is a bar chord. We play the bar on the 6th fret. You don't have to bar the last E string. So you're gonna play 5 strings below there, the bar on 6th fret, and then you need to add 8 on D string and 8 on G. And then we have the G sharp minor. Alright, so it's a bar chord here on the 4th fret. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. And then you go, if you remember the D sharp sus version, you take the exact very same grip and move it to this position here with the bar finger on the 2nd fret, and there you have the B sus chord. So you bar 5 strings there on the 2nd fret from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. Alright, so we have this chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song. It's about 2 rows, so to speak. So the first row is E, F sharp, D sharp, and G sharp. So we're gonna play that first. You're gonna play just downs like I said, and I like to mute this a little bit when I play the downs. I play downs on the bass strings. That's the first part. So avoid the last E strings there, perhaps the G, B, and E string. I stay away from that, depending on what chord, of course, but anyway, the higher notes, we don't want them. And then I mute them as well, so I lean my back of my hand here on the strings there in the behind. So I get that feeling, that sound. That's what I would like to do for this song. So you're gonna play 7 downs on E. Then you quickly change to the F sharp and play 9 downs. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you go over to the D sharp and play 8. And then you play the G sharp 7. And then the 8, you're gonna play, try to hit the A string there on the 6th fret on the 8th down. So the G sharp here is about 8 downs in total, but you play on the bass strings for the first 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then you try to hit that, not that dominant, but anyway, the 6th fret on the A string. So that is the 8th down. All right, so that is the first half. E7, F sharp 9, D sharp 8, and G sharp 8, but with this added note 2 on the 8th down. All right, that's the first half of it. The second half will be starting in the same way, E7, but then you're gonna go F sharp 10 downs instead of 9. So 10 down on this one. Then you go to the B sus and play 5 downs. And then you play on the G sharp 8 downs plus 2 extra downs. So in total of 10 downs on the G sharp. And the last 2 downs is the same note as you play the G sharp in the first half of it. 2 times now on that 6th fret A string. Okay, so the E7 first on this second row will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then F sharp 10 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the B sus, another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then quickly go to the G sharp and play 8 plus these 2 in total of 10 downs on the G sharp with this 2 added note here on the 6th fret A string. So 8 first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 downs on that note. And that is the second half, and then you just go around and around like that through the entire song. And that pretty much covers Taylor Swift's and Post Malone's Fortnight. Enjoy this one, guys. I hope you do. And if you do, please support me here on Going Guitar. Feel free to thumb up this tutorial or subscribe to this channel, and I'm very happy. Thank you for watching, and play tuned.